Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have admin rights. Without that, you cannot remove a page manager. Once confirmed, open Facebook on a desktop browser and navigate directly to the page. Click the Settings or Manage Page button at the top. This opens the control panel where roles are stored. Make sure you're using an account that shows admin under page roles. If you see editor or moderator, switch accounts or request admin permission before proceeding to the next step. Now go to Settings and select Page Roles in the left column. This is where Facebook lists people and connected business managers. Scroll to locate the specific person or business manager you want to remove. Names are grouped by role type. Once you find the entry, click Edit next to it, then choose Remove. Facebook will prompt you to confirm. This prevents accidental removals. Enter your password or complete two-factor verification if prompted. Because removing a manager, finish by confirming removal in the dialog and entering your Facebook password or two-factor code when requested. Once accepted, the person or manager loses access immediately. If removal fails, make sure you are the page owner admin and not just an admin via business manager. Sometimes a business manager owns the page. In that case, open Business Settings, remove the page from that business, or revoke the person's access there. If you still can't, sign out, clear cache, and retry or contact another admin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.